Hold on. Hi. Sorry.
Hey.
Hey. How are you?
Hi. Great, thanks.
I don't know you, but
Yeah.
maybe I want to get to know you.
Can you meet a lady on the street within 2.5 minutes, get to know her, handle all her objections, take her number, and potentially meet her on a date? The answer is obviously yes, otherwise I wouldn't release this video. It's very interesting though. In the end, she even shares with me that she's currently seeing someone. So if you want to know how I do all of this and handle that objection in the end, please watch and enjoy this video. And before we start in, if you actually want to take action and not just be a consumer of these videos, and you need guidance, and you especially gonna need accountability, because yes, doing this is cringe, is hard, takes social freedom, then you can book a free consultation call. I got a couple of spots left, but other than that, let's jump into the interaction.
You're very sweet, but I don't really have time. It's exam season.
You have exam season.
Yeah.
Oh,
But-
so there's a lot of other things on your mind right now
Yeah,
than meeting
but
a guy.
You're very sweet. Thank
Okay.
You seem like a good person.
Thank you, you're so sweet. Well then, do you have an exam today?
She's telling me right away she's very stressed about exams and she's busy. And instead of going against that, because keep in mind, we only know each other for 24 seconds. I'm not saying, no, come on, wait a bit, or no, you got 2 minutes, or come on, I'm a cool guy, you should take time out of your schedule. I'm agreeing with her. I'm with her. Oh, I get it. Yeah, it's stressful time, so I totally... You shouldn't meet a guy right now, you should focus on exams. Never go against her. Basically, the framework for objection handling is agree and then still create a solution that benefits both of you, right? It's a relationship, it's not a fight where you have to capture the flag, aka capture the number.
No, tomorrow.
But you're very stressed right now.
Kind of, yeah.
What's your name? Alex. Nice to meet
Where
you.
are you from?
Born in Austria, but I moved here again. Yeah. Then I don't want to bother you now. I understand how it feels to be full of,
Yeah.
you know, deadlines and all this.
Sure.
Maybe we just exchange WhatsApp. I text you and you respond whenever you want.
I don't have WhatsApp.
What do you use?
Maybe Instagram, I don't know.
Okay. Or do you use Messenger?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better, I think. I know it's crazy. Hungarians don't use WhatsApp. I really don't understand.
Really?
The whole world uses WhatsApp, but there's
Really?
this little country called Hungary that doesn't do it. I don't understand why. You can search yourself here. So what's your next exam about?
Roman law. Actually.
Roman law.
Yes.
Wow. And why?
Why? Well, I'm studying to be a lawyer.
Ah, yeah. And the Roman law is like a foundation for law that we have
Yeah,
today?
Yeah, it's the foundation of civil law. Yeah. So
Makes
this
sense.
is me. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to be honest. I am talking to someone right now.
She wants to be honest, she is seeing somebody. There's another guy in the picture. Let's see how I handle that objection. And before I show you that piece, again, I prompt you to book a call if you actually want to take this serious. If you're in a situation where you know you could do better, where you feel like you have more potential, let me help unlock that potential. Let me keep you accountable. Let me help you take action for 2025 and beyond. This is a really important topic. Socializing, dating, becoming a more masculine man. It's all things that are going to be important for the rest of your life. So you might as well take action now. Let's end the video with the final close and revealing how I handle the fact that she is talking to another guy.
So like
Fine.
maybe.
Now you're talking to two people.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You won't land in hell because of that. It's fine. It's allowed.
Thank you.
We can do what we want. You're not married, right?
Not yet.
So you can do what you want.
Thank you very much. I'm actually going to study. So
Let's go. Have a great study
Bye.
day.
Thank you.
Focus. Don't look at your phone. Bye.